All right, the drink we're about to make is called Daisy. Go and fill up your mixing glass with ice. And we're going to measure out 2 ounces of tequila. There's 1 and 2. 2 teaspoons of grenadine. And juice of 1 lemon. Go ahead and give it a shake. Just enough to get everything mixed together. Take a glass filled with ice and pour in what you have so far. And just top it off with club soda. And you can use your spoon to give it a little stir. That should be good enough. Add a straw. And you have yourself a nice little daisy. Bottoms up.